Well, hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we are covering a video from the YouTube channel Quokka. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you would like to see more content like this one, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Today's video took place on May 4th, 2021 in Phoenix, Arizona. The auditor in today's video was doing a First Amendment audit of a COVID-19 testing site. At first, he was having a very informative conversation with the workers at the testing site, but it didn't take long for a cold front to move in. Ultimately, the Fillings police were called on the auditor. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Is there someone that can answer my question?
And you're with whom?
I'm alone.
Okay.
There's no one else.
No, I know, but who are you representing? I know you're yourself.
I'm just a member of the public, just an individual.
Okay. What kind of questions do you have?
I wondered if I'm eligible for the vaccination.
What is your age?
I'm 51
Ageless.
now.
Yes, you are eligible.
Okay. And are there still groups who aren't eligible?
We still are not getting anyone younger, like 15 or younger. We're not doing those yet.
Okay.
We're waiting for FDA and as well, of course, the health department to give us the go-ahead.
Okay. And then if I came to this site, could I walk up just like this and get the vaccination?
No, sir, I'm sorry.
Okay.
It'd have to be driving.
So I
you
have
have
to
to
be-
have a vehicle or else a bicycle at least. Some people have a bike,
Okay.
which, and I think we used to. We're no longer taking first initial shots. So if this was your first initial shot, we wouldn't be able to accept it
Oh.
today because we're closing this clinic down.
Gotcha.
So now across the street, you have that availability.
Oh.
On the
At
other
the
side of
sports
line,
center.
At the sports center, they are taking walk-ins, so you can actually walk in there,
Wow.
sign up, and they're able to help you.
What they're
Even
trying
from
to do,
here, it's not even that far.
No, it's not.
What they're trying to do is close all of the drive-through sites because it's getting too hot for the people to be out here.
And
I
it's,
understand.
yeah.
I saw
And
that
even
they
for,
just
you know,
yesterday they closed down the one on the campus.
And even
They
having
made this-
patients, who wants to be in this heat? Even if you're in your vehicle.
Okay, right, because then we'd
you know.
be incurring incidental medical
Exactly,
situations.
and we don't want that.
Yeah.
So
Okay, that makes sense.
So they're having walk-in clinics at the U of A as well. They're transferring their drive-through into a walk-in, so they have somewhere there that they're able to do that now.
I'm sorry.
At the U of A,
Uh-huh.
they're
Oh, they're
also
still
gonna
doing-
they're gonna close their drive-through, and they have a facility there available for walk-ins,
Okay,
so it'll be in.
awesome. Okay, thank you. And do you know when this one will close down?
This one will close down May 10th,
Okay, so
Yeah.
about a week.
about a week. Yes.
What was the question about filming?
We're not allowed to have anybody film. This is per Banner Health.
Per Banner Health.
Yeah, per Banner Health for the privacy of our patients.
Sure. So in order to protect the people's
Exactly, we want to make sure
personal
everybody's
health information,
protected.
their
Yeah.
protected health information.
Yes, sir. Correct.
You ask people to give
Not
up a
film.
right that they otherwise have to film in a place where they're
no,
lawfully. Yes.
no,
actually.
because-
Okay, now you're already asking way too much. Okay.
I'm asking.
He's-
Oh, I
he's
love
not
this.
here.
I'm asking too much. Oh, that's wonderful. And so, what
do.
consequence do I incur by asking too much?
You'll be fine. They want you to leave the property.
They want me to leave. I understand
They don't
that.
want people to
All
leave.
of a sudden, they want me to leave because I asked them a question, and you're willing to step in and do that because that's your job.
I actually saw you from over there, and they actually don't want people recording in here. They only want people who are in here who
see,
are
that's
either
funny
working
because
or-
that was actually my question. They don't want people recording, and I was starting to ask about the legalities of that, whether they actually have the right to insist that people don't record,
Have
or
you
to
heard of-
perform some sort of
No,
law
I was
enforcement.
going to say, have
or-
you heard of HIPAA?
Yes, I've heard of HIPAA.
That is
Let's
one
not
that-
even
that is
talk
one
about
that-
HIPAA because it applies in no way at all. Absolutely, it
Recording
doesn't. I'm not.
people
I'm
and
a
their
member of the public.
information.
I'm not a health insurer. I'm not a medical provider. I'm not covered. I'm not a covered entity under the Health Insurance Portability and Affordability Act.
So many people are so misinformed when it comes to what HIPAA is and who does it apply to. Well, let's do a little fact checking on this topic. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, otherwise known as HIPAA, is a federal law that required the creation of a national standards to protect sensitive patient health information from being disclosed without the patient's consent or knowledge. As required by Congress in HIPAA, the privacy rule covers health plans, healthcare clearinghouses, healthcare providers who conduct certain financial and administrative transactions electronically. So if you find yourself in a similar situation, know that HIPAA does not apply to the general public. It is up to the people that it applies to create privacy to protect the healthcare information of the patient.
Or Accountability Act.
You would see why they wouldn't want people.
I would, and that's why I was asking questions, because I see why they would, but I have questions about how they do, and how they do what they want to do, which how these people and other facilities enforce a ban on photography that they have no real authority to implement in order to cover their potential lapses in being in not violating HIPAA. You know, so I'm gonna leave. I mean, I'm not gonna stay here today.
That's the only reason I came over, is because you have a camera, and they don't want people recording.
Yeah,
other people's.
But they don't have any legal basis for insisting that people stop recording. So that's kind of the story.
That's kind of the story.
Yeah, that's the story. That's the reason to film walking up to this stupid little vaccination site and filming it that would otherwise be pretty darn boring. But the fact that people then come out and say you can't do that, even though a person actually can, well, there's the story.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty well. How are
you? Doing good. What's going on?
Who are you?
I'm Deputy Davenport, Kinney County Sheriff's Department.
Yes, sir. Well, so I am leaving.
Oh, okay.
As I'm discussing whether or not I actually have the right to film here while I'm here asking my question about the vaccination process.
Okay.
So that's kind of so we were just talking about the kind of boring details about how this all works when they insist that people can't film.
Okay. All right. Well, it is private property at this point. If they're asking you to leave, you're allowed to leave. Okay.
I'm allowed.
Leave. Okay.
So this is private property according to you.
This area right here?
Oh, hello, sir. Would you not stand right behind me like that?
I need for you to stop recording.
I need for you not to sneak up behind me.
I wasn't sneaking up behind you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, when you come up behind me and I don't see you, that's sort of like sneaking.
Understand?
Thank you.
I need for you to stop recording if you don't mind, please.
I do mind, and I also mind kind of being lied to about the nature of this property.
What's your first name?
None of your business. What's yours?
I'm Deputy Davenport.
Great.
Okay.
I'm a guy.
Okay. So are you finished speaking with security then?
Yes.
Okay. So you're on your way?
Well, potentially, but we still are having these discussions about the legality of filming.
Okay. Are you here to get a vaccine?
No, I was here to do other business.
Okay. Well, have you concluded your business?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Would you like a water, sir?
Actually, yes, I would.
So
could you tell that my mouth was dry by the way I was talking? Because it is.
Yeah, just being polite. So you conclude your business?
Yes.
Okay. You don't want a vaccine or you don't need a vaccine?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You're going to get your water, correct?
Sure.
All right. And so...
There you go, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Did you drive here or walk here? Or?
I came here in a way that I'm capable of leaving by.
Okay. Do you need a ride to like the corner or something like that?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Cool.
So this is private property.
The sports complex?
This is part of the sports complex?
Yeah, this parking lot, this area is part of the sports complex. Correct.
Okay, and that's associated with what? The university?
What do you mean?
So the Keno Sports Complex, is that just like a private enterprise that's not associated with any sort of public entity?
As far as I know, it's run by the Keno County.
Yeah, which is sort of a pretty public entity.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. My understanding is that this is public property.
Okay. I'm telling you it's not, but that's your opinion. That's my
right. So we could do some research. That'd be a pretty easy question to answer. definitively.
I gave you an answer.
Yeah, you gave me your answer, and I
Yeah.
think you're wrong.
Okay, that's fine. We're both entitled to both our opinion, correct?
Yeah, but you could do some research and find out for sure. You could do that. You have resources.
Okay. Are you telling me I have to do that right now, or?
I mean, if we wanted to answer the question.
Well, I gave you the answer. Whether
Yeah,
you
but
like it
your
or not
answer
doesn't
isn't
mean.
quite correct.
Whether you like it or not doesn't mean I'm going to go out. And,
So what I like is truth.
okay. I'm not stopping
Is
you
it-
from recording. I'm not telling you you can't record.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm just telling you this is private property. And
Okay.
you've concluded your business. You don't need a vaccine. So why are you hanging around trying to cause problems?
Oh, that's. All right. Are you trying to cause problems?
I'm not the one.
What makes you say I'm trying to get a straight answer to a simple question?
And I gave it
a
to you. So
fundamental question of our interaction based on your role as a law enforcement officer. You're trying to enforce a law that has to do with this being private property. The law that says that they can tell me to leave and I would be trespassing if I don't listen to them. I'm saying that that doesn't actually have a legal basis, and you're saying that I'm trying to cause trouble. What is up with that?
I'm saying you're trying to cause trouble.
You just said that I'm trying to cause trouble.
Okay. Are you done with your
That's
business?
unprofessional
Okay.
and incorrect.
Okay. That's your opinion. That's perfectly fine.
Yes, it is.
Are you done? Would you like a ride to the Burger King down the road or somewhere else?
Definitely not to the Burger King.
Okay. Would you like a ride down to the Circle K down there?
No, I don't think I need a ride.
Okay.
Pretty capable still.
Okay.
So, yeah, I don't know. I just think it's private property or public property, and I got my question answered. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Have a great day.
Do you have like a shield number or something?
8096. Badge number 8096.
Okay.
Thank
you.
you, sir. Have a great day.
You too.
Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to go over to Quokka's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.